Stop. Do not touch that phone. Do not read that text. And definitely, do not reply. You think they came back because they realized your value? You think they finally changed? You think it is destiny? That is a lie. Here is the controversial truth that no one tells you. They did not come back because they love you. They came back because they failed to find a new victim. They are running low on supply. And to them, you are not a soulmate. You are just a backup meal. In psychology, this is called hoovering. Like the vacuum cleaner, they want to suck you back into the dirt. By the end of this video, you will learn how to cut the power cord and shut them down forever. Part 1. The Vulnerability Bridge. I know exactly how it feels. I have been in that dark room. You sit there, replaying the good memories. You ignore the bad ones. You tell yourself, maybe this time will be different. I made that mistake. I opened the door, I let them back in. And guess what? They didn't change. They punished me for leaving. The second time around, the pain was 10 times worse. I don't want you to suffer like I did. We need to lock this door. And we need to throw away the key. So, I need you to make a commitment right now. Not to me, but to yourself. Scroll down and comment 2 words. No contact. Do it now. Solidify your resolve. Part 2. The 3 traps of the vacuum. To defeat the Hoover, you need more than willpower. You need a philosophy. Before we look at their traps, let's put on your armor. Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king, once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." They are the outside event. You cannot stop them from knocking, but you are the mind. You can choose not to open the door. With this Stoic mindset, let's dissect their 3 phases of manipulation. Phase 1, the sweetest lie. First, they will use the bait. They will send a text about a happy memory. "I just walked past our favorite coffee shop. I found that old shirt of yours. It feels sweet. It feels innocent. But look closely. This is not romance. This is fishing." They are throwing a hook into the water, just to see if you are still stupid enough to bite. If you reply, even just 1 word, they win. You have given them fuel. Phase 2, the pity play. When being sweet doesn't work, they will become pathetic. This is the most dangerous trap for empathetic people. They will say, "I am sick. I lost my job. I can't live without you." They are weaponizing your guilt. They know you are a good person. They know you cannot walk away from someone in pain. But you must use the Stoic shield. Repeat this to yourself. An emergency on their part does not constitute an emergency on my part. Their pain is a consequence of their actions. It is not your responsibility to fix it. Phase 3, the rage, and finally, when the bait fails and the guilt fails, the mask drops. They will attack you. They will call you cold, arrogant, cruel. They will try to destroy your reputation. This is the moment you should smile. Because this rage, it proves you are winning. The vacuum is broken. It cannot suck you in anymore. It is just making noise. Actually, look closely at them. Imagine them as a desperate door-to-door salesman. They are standing on your porch, holding a bag of steaming garbage called drama. They are banging on your door, screaming, "Open up! This time the garbage is different. It is premium quality. I will give you a discount." What do? Do you open the door and argue about the price? No. You look through the peephole and you say, "Sorry, we are not buying trash today. Try the neighbor." And you walk away. Part 3. The trash can metaphor. Let me leave you with one final image. Going back to a toxic ex, It's like going through your own trash can to eat the food you threw away last week. It is rotten. It is poisoned. It will make you sick. Why would you do that? Are you that hungry? You are not a trash can. You are a king. You are a queen. Do not let the vacuum pull you back into the dust. Keep the door locked. Change the locks if you have to. Let them starve. If this video helped you stay strong today, hit the subscribe button. Let's build your fortress together. Stay no contact and stay free.